tired, bro. Damn, tired, bro. It's like 10 o'clock now. I'm supposed to be in bed, but I'm like, you know what? I gotta record a video, bro. I can't be slipping up now. You know, these videos are coming almost, Monday to Friday, definitely. Maybe Sunday and Saturday, depending on what I want to talk about. But yeah, man. Today was a good day. I took buys on German 30 and gold. Yeah, it's a good thing I cut out nasdaq and USD. I just need to focus on two pairs, and my mind has freed up so much RAM to just focus on these pairs. So this morning, I was expecting price to move up on German 30. It was still playing above that level where it broke the swing high. Remember yesterday it corrected. It made a lower high, so I'm like, okay, I entered at the wrong time, which I shouldn't have traded. So then I entered today, and it played out well, man. I'm currently still holding it. Last I checked, I'm still up. It's at another swing high, and my entry is way below, and I set it at break even. So I think I'm gonna swing this trade and see if it goes hits. I might take profit. Might be this week, might be next week. But this will be the first swing trade I have that I want to hold, because my entry is way below because price just started moving up. So I'm glad that I waited and realized that, okay, if price is going to indicate on one day, it's most likely going to correct on the other day, on the one day, and then it's going to continue on the other day. So it just breaks up in days. Or it could indicate today, then correct, or continue indicating, and then correct. Then we won't have the continuation the next day, because it's not going to move same time. It has to wait for the next session for more volume, because initially it had that push for the volume. Either it was indicating or it's correcting, so it's not going to have enough momentum to do both. So I think that's what I realized, and I'm just going to see how it plays out. But I knew yesterday that, okay, it didn't have that volume because it had that momentum to push down yesterday. So today, at least, it pushed down a little bit, and then it started slow down a bit, and then it started correcting up. So yeah, I waited patiently for that trade. I should have just waited, but anyway, at least I'm still up on that one. On gold, oh man, gold did the things, bro. Like gold, I now almost missed it because I was busy recording my IG videos, of which tomorrow is the 1st of October. It's the start of October, man. I can't wait. September was a good month. Learned a lot, and yeah, I'm just gonna do more breakdown videos on September. Might not do tomorrow's stock take at work. I'll try to do it on my lunch if I have time. I'm gonna really have to squeeze these things in, bro, but it's fine. Nonetheless, I'm gonna make sure it happens, because I'll probably be getting home around this time tomorrow, hopefully earlier, because yeah, we won't have much to do with stock take. Gold pushed up, bro, and I went with my normal risk of 0.10. German 30 went 0.05. I should have did 0.10 on that one, but it's okay. Yeah, because I was watching a video of now, so he's like, yeah, I want to make more trades now to make back my losses. So I should just keep my risk management the way it is. If I'm gonna risk with 0.10, I need to stick to that. So on gold, I did that, and bro, I was floating like four bands, bro. But then I didn't see it because I was at work, and then it just started dropping. I'm like, fuck, I could have closed out at this price, because that would have made up all my losses and then some. Then I would have been closing in on passing my first evaluation on my funded account. But it's okay, because that means I'm still in the game. I'm not losing. I'm risking my money. I'm managing my risk, and I'm waiting for these setups, and I'm taking the risk, and I'm taking the leap of faith of entering. But it's okay. We're learning. So these will help me. Now I know, because the thing is with trading, you just always learn, bro. Like, you're always gonna keep learning, and you always gotta keep learning from your mistakes. And I'm glad that I saw that today. But yeah, man, it was a good day, very good day. I'm gonna break down the charts now on that, and then I gotta go to bed. And ask me why I'm going to bed and I'm eating chocolate. Man, my girl bought me this today, and I just love biscuit. Biscuit chocolate, bro. Man, this shit snaps, bro. It melted, but anyway. need to build discipline on this. I'm sorry. You see me having the cheat day right now. But anyway, yeah. Like I said, people will decrease their risk in this trade after they lose, and then they just take more trades to win back their losses. So rather just stick to your risk. I'm gonna stick to 0.10, and then yeah, there's nothing else I can do. No, here's 0.8. Let me say 0.8 or 9, but I'll see depending on how far my stop loss is. But I think I should still stick to 0.10, man. I should still do it. And then yeah, maybe I'm straight, and it's a good day, man. Good day. So yeah, man. Here's a trade breakdown. So remember, I actually started scaling out just to make sure that okay, we are on an option because price had this swing low, pushed above from this swing high, closed above, indicated, then it corrected, right? And then yesterday, like this is Monday, I expected it to move up. Oh my god, bro, I forgot to do this. I'm so sorry, guys. Do not disturb. Yes. So yeah, like I said, so I thought price, because it indicated on Friday actually, then you had that big gap and then it pushed up. So I knew yesterday it was gonna sell off. So okay, yesterday it corrected nicely, made a lower high, made a level of support here, and then it moved up again. So when it closed above here, I entered, but then it was still moving down and it chopped me. So I'm like, okay, fine. That means today we're gonna get that move up. So it corrected and then started moving up a bit. Let me scale down to the 15-minute. So I had entered here. I remember I entered here, then it chopped me, and then I entered here when it closed above, only for it to go up and correct again. I'm like, okay, shit. Then I called it a day, then I left it. Then I didn't want to enter again. So I left it at that. But I could have entered here, and if I set my stop loss here, that would have been fine, but then I wasn't sure. So I'm like, okay, I'll just wait for tomorrow's session for that volume, so it's fine. So price came above here again. And then I think I entered off of this candle, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Because remember this morning, I remember like it just started selling off a bit and then it just started playing around here. Yeah, then I saw that. I'm like, okay, let me wait for it to break structure. Then it moved up, then it moved down again. And then I think on this candle, I entered. Set my stop loss below here, but then I moved it to break even. That's what I did here. So yeah, we still currently flowing nuts. And then it just started picking up. I didn't check my phone and it just started picking up. And I'm like, damn, that's amazing because now we're just moving up now. And then it made another swing high here. And now we're closing above this one. And yeah, so I'm going to hold this trade because my stop loss is actually way down here and price is way up here. So it's probably going to indicate it's going to correct more heavy, like more tomorrow on the 1 hour. Let me see. Yeah, probably on the 1 hour it's going to correct, make a lower high somewhere here, and then once it closes above I'll probably enter more positions. But yeah, I'll wait for that setup for it to do that again. Like yeah, so we'll just be patient with that, and I want to target this level because this is the next level where buyers are at. That's my next take profit. So you see here, I know Sai says he checks 3 days back, but 3 sessions back, but I know there's seller sitting here, so that's why my take profit is there. So I'm just gonna hold it, man. Then tomorrow we'll probably get the correction. I won't trade tomorrow. I'm just gonna hold this trade, so I'll be fine. And then it'll correct, maybe, and then yeah, then consolidate after correcting. Then Thursday we'll probably have that volume to push it back up, and then I'll enter again. So yeah, man, overall decent trade. Gold did the same thing. I saw the same setup, but damn, I should have just held, you know, but it's okay though. So remember we hit that indication, we had a new high, so, and then it started pushing down. So I entered somewhere here on the 5-15 minute. Yeah, I entered here. Once it closed above, this was like just after New York, just like 30 minutes after New York session. Entered somewhere here, then it moved up, it moved up, it moved up, and then I was like deep profits here, but I didn't see that, and then it moved down. And I'm like, damn, then I closed at 1K, but I'm like, fuck, I should have just held it because it's just correcting. I don't know why. And plus, it was a risk free trade because I set my stop loss to break even, so I wasn't gonna lose anything. I don't know why. Again, I told myself, now I'm in a risk-free trade. I don't need to worry about anything. You see now, price is still moving up. It's still moving up. So, yeah, this is just the one that got away. But I did leave with some profits at least. So, I'm kind of glad with that. So, I know next time, if I set a break even, I shouldn't even be worried. And obviously, I trust my analysis because it corrected yesterday. Oh, it corrected today and then just, yeah, because this is New York session. And then it moved up. So, it just depends on the session because this also moves during New York's London session, but German 30 only moves. It has the first move is London session because Asian session doesn't really do much. So yeah, overall I did call it. I saw it and I entered, and yeah, I would have been way more in profits because my take profit was here, but it's fine. I entered again, but then I got stopped out. I break even on like 27 rand, but it's fine. At least I still made something. So yeah, German 30 is gonna have to provide me with that setup, and then yeah,